All right, Tom, this is for you, man. Remember I was telling you about those smoothies I make? Okay, this is the Suja Juice, woman-owned company out of San Diego. Apple, celery, cucumber, kale, collard greens, lemon, mint tea, ginger, spinach, spirulina, clara, and barley grass. Cold pressed, the only way you should drink juice. And this is how to juice without working hard. Costco, about $10 for a big jar, but it's sold at Costco, Sprouts, Target, everywhere now. So I do about a third. I start off with a little bit of liquid. Oh, new bottle. Okay, I use almond milk, and it's unsweetened vanilla, because I like the vanilla flavor. I got vanilla flavored protein. So I'll start with some liquid like that. And then I actually put some seasonings in, like sea salt. Hey, it's food, right? You season your salad, you season your smoothie too. Cinnamon. Cinnamon's good for diabetes, which I have, so I do that. Little honey. Honey, contrary to thought, is actually good for you. And your body loves natural sugar and needs it. So it's not a bad thing, even for diabetics. But I don't have a medical degree. Chia seeds, you put in about a tablespoon. I just put about 3 in. That's extra protein. These are some superfood greens. Don't really need to put them in, but I add them just for extra boost in the hopes that, you know, between the Suja juice, the greens, the protein powder, some of that nutrition is actually going to get through to my body, right? And then this is the Mac Daddy. This protein, Costco, Amazon. It's got superfoods, it's plant-based, 21 grams of protein, and it's just yummy. And it's got all these other 50 superfoods and probiotics and all that stuff. So I just put one big heaping pop in there. And then before I put any frozen stuff in or any more liquid, I get this stirred up real good. So it's gonna be noisy for a second here. But you're literally going to see how easy and fast this is. A little spillage, no big deal. Then I start, now I've got frozen bananas, they look a little freezer burned. I put about a half a banana in there usually. I might just toss the rest of those. Then I put in blueberries. These are organic wild blueberries. Real important to use the organics when you're doing stuff like juicing and smoothieing, because you know, the other stuff is not, you know, you're putting a bunch of chemicals in a smoothie and then you're going to ingest them right into your bloodstream real easy. At least that's my theory. Again, I'm not a doctor, I don't play one on TV, but I put quite a bit of blueberries in. Blueberries are great for your brain, your blood sugar, your health. So, and this makes about 4 servings. Now, this is the mad magic. This is fresh organic kale that I froze. And I froze it because you can keep it in your freezer longer that way than in the fridge. I don't always get to smoothie all the kale I have. And then, because it's summer, extra special treat, baby. We got watermelon. Just a big old slice. And now we're going to chop this down. And as we go, we'll add in some more liquid, mainly water, but just give it a whirl. It'll probably lock up pretty fast because there's a lot of frozen there. Now this is an old girl. I've had this since 1996. Vitamix. So you get to mix it to your desired consistency. I usually like mine a little more frozen than this, but I don't know if you can see the pour. But this stuff is liquid gold. It's goodness. And it's delish. Cheers, buddy. Putting all this away is going to take me like 5 minutes, if that. So the cleanup's easy. Once you get set up to do it, you freeze your pieces and parts. It's a pretty quick assembly line, and like I said, it's really good. And I don't know if you can see that color, but it's nice and purple with the blueberries. Just the right amount of goodness. To your health, man.